Understanding Homecoming Dance, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very special phrase in American culture, homecoming dance. This phrase might sound simple, but it's packed with cultural significance. Let's dive into what it means and why it's important. Homecoming dance is a traditional event in American high schools and universities. It's a celebratory dance that marks the end of the homecoming week, a period filled with various activities. Homecoming is usually in the fall and coincides with the return of alumni to their alma mater. The dance part refers to a formal party where students dress up, dance, and celebrate together. The homecoming dance is more than just a party. It's a rite of passage for many American students. It symbolizes a sense of belonging and school spirit. During this event, there's often a football game, parades, and the crowning of the homecoming king and queen. These traditions create lasting memories and foster a sense of community among students and alumni. In discussions about homecoming dance, you might encounter phrases like asking someone to homecoming, which means inviting someone as a date to the dance. Other terms include homecoming court, a group of students nominated for homecoming king and queen, and Spirit Week, a week of themed activities leading up to the dance. The homecoming dance is a vibrant and meaningful event in American culture, encapsulating school spirit, community, and tradition. Whether you're learning English for personal interest or planning to study in the U.S., understanding such cultural nuances is vital. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing your English, and see you in the next video.